Okay, so today we're going to try to install the YiKatoo side steps on my 2022 Toyota Tacoma SR5. Okay, so it looks like they're packed pretty good. Let's see what's in here. Looks like they're all wired together. Mounting brackets. Instructions. Okay. So it looks like we need ratchet torque wrench, socket extension, 13 miller, 13 miller, 17 millimeter wrench, 17 millimeter socket. Alright, let's see what we got. There's one of them. Look pretty cool. Okay, so here's all the hardware. Let me sort through it and make sure we have it all. Okay, so all the hardware's there, just what they said. Now let's see what's next. Okay, let's see. Looks like it might be a little hard to tell, but I believe we got to pull this out. These two and those two. Let me grab a light. Okay, that's better. Let's see if we can get these plugs out. Wonder which one it is. So for sure it's probably this one. Okay. Two more right here. And then two back here. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, let's bolt up the brackets. So I'm just going to finger tight them for now. Alright, let's do the middle one. Okay, get to the back one. Millimeter. I'm going to use a 12-meter socket and a ratchet. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, let's see if we can pop these end caps in. Okay, let me bang that one in. Be back. Okay, so let's see how this goes. Okay, so I got two more bolts left. Let's get this in the position. That looks pretty good. Get the bolts started. Okay, so these bolts on the actual step are 17 mil. I'm just going to snug it up a little bit. Let's go take a look, see how it works. Okay, well, this side's done. Let's see what happens. Yeah, pretty good. They move a little bit, but seem pretty good. All right, not too bad. Easy install. Okay, so let's get the passenger side done. So this side should go faster than the other side. You can see there's a flat washer, lock washer. I don't know if I told you, but these are 17 millimeter. And I'll drive it around for a couple days and then check all this, make sure everything's tight. The ones up top are 12 millimeter. Okay, so pretty simple. That's all the tools I used. Well, that's all the tools I used. A flathead screwdriver, what is this, a 12? I don't know, 13 millimeter, 17 millimeter, and a ratchet. Pretty easy to do. And there's the driver's side again. And there's the passenger side. I like them. See you next time.